at the Hilton Garden Inn in Alpharetta, Georgia. And this is room 102. So it has a nice king-size bed. We have our beverage station, microwave, and refrigerator. The closet, the typical closet, ironing board, iron, hangers, and a luggage rack. We have a nice full-length mirror, a teeny tiny TV on top of a dresser. We have a nice workstation with a pretty comfortable looking chair. We have 2 outlets on the lamp, 2 on the wall, and a mirror. We have 1 chair, table, and lamp. Phone, wonderful charging station with 2 regular outlets, 1 USB, 1 CB, whatever that one is, and I don't know that. Plus there is a plug on the lamp. The other side of the bed only has the lamp and nightstand with 1 plug on the lamp. It's an older room, much older hotel. It's clean. It doesn't have any weird smells or anything. And this is our view out our window. So I'm sure if you're up early enough or up late enough, you'll see some pretty wildlife. So Catalyst is right across the street, and that's why I'm here for work. And the bathroom. It's a tub, shower, commode, typical sink, like I said, it is an older hotel. Furniture and furnishings are older. It does smell clean. Some people would pick apart the fact the furniture's old, you know, like it's not the best shaped furniture in the world.
Hilton Garden Inn is located at 4025 Windward Plaza in Alpharetta, Georgia. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and check out more of our hotel tours. Thanks.